A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love.
Hello guys, welcome back to being Mrs. Frasure, or welcome if you are new. I have a decorating video for you guys today. Now, if you guys saw our last video, I cleaned up and decorated the outside of our home, decorated for summer, and we are going to be decorating the inside today. So, as you can tell, if you're new, a lot of our decor is fairly neutral. I like to keep things neutral because most of the year it just keeps you calm and relaxed. Definitely helps with anxiety. But also, when it comes to holidays, I can add in color without it contrasting with the other colors in my home. So, for instance, like today's video, we're going to be making or doing summer decor, and for summer decor, I like to use Americana items, I guess, if you will. So basically, that is American flags, red, white, and blue, stuff like that. Perfect for the summer. I know we missed Memorial Day, but 4th of July will be coming up here soon enough. And yeah, so let's go ahead. I did purchase a few new items, as well as most of my items were something that I already had from our last home. But I did also pick some items. I told you guys in our last video that we were going out to Mount Dora to Renegers. It is an antique flea market thrift, vintage. It is the cutest thing. So if you have one near you, I know there's two in Pennsylvania and then there's two here in Florida. Ours is Mount Dora and Melbourne. We are actually over an hour away from both of them, but we made the trip out to Mount Dora. Super cute town if you haven't been there. And such a great place. We only got about halfway through it and we were there for over 2 hours. So I found what I was looking for though. So anyway, let me turn you guys around and show you what we have to decorate with.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and jump into this. A lot of this is old stuff that I already had, like this shutter here. I actually picked this up a few years ago. Now, if you guys have been around, you guys have seen this before. I did pick it up at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if they still carry these or not, but it's definitely a possibility because I know that I've seen it since I've purchased this. I also have this garland here that I picked up. I'm pretty sure it came from Hobby Lobby. And I apologize that I don't have prices for these items that I already have. I did pick these up new. These are just a couple packages of little flags. Now these ones I already opened, but so you could see what they look like. But this is what they came in. They were just $2.99. I think I also got these at Hobby Lobby and they were 40 or 50% off. So they weren't the full $3 price, but I have an idea for these. And then I also had these picks. I have this American flag one. As you can hear, it is metal. And then I have this one as well. Again, both of these came from Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago. I also have this table runner here. Just blue on the one side, and then it has like the American flag colors with the stars and the stripes. I did pick this up a few years ago from Hobby Lobby, but they do still have it because I've seen it recently. Also, I have this beautiful blanket or throw. It's an American flag. I picked this up off of Amazon. Now, again, it was a few years ago, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but it is absolutely beautiful. I will try to make sure that I can link what I can down below for you guys if I can still find it, if I can find it online, or I will try to find something similar. But this will be in my Amazon storefront. I also have these little guys. I'm not sure that I'm going to use all this decor, just so you guys are aware, but I might, because it's not a whole lot and it just helps add a little bit of color throughout the home. But I do have these little guys. Again, they are from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99, but I'm going to guess that they were less than that, probably 50% off. But as you can tell, this says July 4th of 2020, so they are old. I don't know that Hobby Lobby still has them, but they are super cute, and if I can find them, I'll link them for you guys. Now, this is something new I picked up this year. It's just a little hanging piece, I guess, that says America on it. It was discounted from this $249 price. Again, I think it was like 40 or 50% off. You know how Hobby Lobby usually does their sales. So, and then I also picked up this longer garland piece. So we do have a towel bar, and I plan on putting it there. That's $10.99 is the list price, I guess. However, again, it was discounted. Never pay full price at Hobby Lobby, you guys. If it's not on sale one week, it'll probably be on sale the next week, except for holiday decor. Once it goes on sale, I think it starts at like 30-40% and then drops down to like 50, and then after the holiday it goes down even farther. So I just really liked the tassels. I thought it was super cute. And then it definitely helped bring in the red, white, and blue look that we are going for. We'll move right over here. This is from Hobby Lobby. Let's see, is there a price? I don't see a price tag on it. But I know, again, this was a few years old, and I don't remember seeing this when I was in there recently. Then we also have these towels here. I don't remember where I got this set of towels from. Man, I don't remember. It might have been Kohl's, to be honest. But again, it's a few years old. There's nothing wrong with using your old decor and maybe just adding a few pieces here and there, or maybe not even adding any at all, or buying all new. It's totally up to you. But this next set of hand towels, I just thought it was super cute. I love the plaid with the star in the middle here. And then I just like kind of the muted colors on these, so it's kind of vintagey looking. But I got these at TJ Maxx. I will say that you might have some problems at TJ Maxx because I did not see a whole lot of red, white, and blue Americana decor left in our store, but your store may be different. Our store is very busy. It's the only one for probably about 10 towns to shop at. So anyway, my next items over here, I'm gonna go back around because it's gonna be easier. These are my thrifted items, or picked items that we found at the Mount Dora flea market or antique shop, I guess. I don't know. I picked up some of these old perfect mason ball canning jars. If you can tell, they do have a blue tint to them, so I'm super excited for that. I picked up the large ones and then some of these smaller ones. Now, I don't know the sizes on them. I apologize, but I thought I got a good deal on them. They were awfully dirty, and then I just washed them up and got them all cleaned. But I don't know if I'm going to be using the lids or not. We'll see when we get there. But then I also thrifted this Coke crate, wooden crate. As you can see, it is quite old. I absolutely love it. I was on the hunt for this. I actually wanted a Dr. Pepper one, but I could not find it. I think Dr. Pepper is going to be hard to find unless I go down to like Texas, down to Waco, where Dr. Pepper is from. but this was one of the better ones that I came across. A lot of them that just were like so faded you couldn't even tell it was Dr. Pepper. I also came across a lot of like 7-Up and Pepsi, which I love the idea of using any of those, especially if you like that pop more than the other. I personally am not a fan of like anything except for Diet Pepsi and Dr. Pepper. So I just really liked the Coke idea because it's red and white, and then adding the blue mason jars. So I'm super excited for that. And then I also picked up these dried flowers. Now it is lavender and baby's breath dried. I picked these up off of Amazon. If you didn't know, yes, you can buy dried flowers on there. They smell so good. I'm hoping that these work out because I'm a little afraid that my cats will get up there and eat them. And that's not going to be good, but we'll try and see what happens and kind of go from there. But I'm super excited to go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get moving and grooving.
Surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and start here in the living room. Now, as soon as I remembered that I had this American flag throw, I was like, yes, perfect. I'm going to put it on our blanket ladder. I had an idea that I wanted to do, and you can see that I was going back and forth trying to decide, do I want it folded? Do I not? And then in the long run, I decided just to kind of like take it by the corner and fold it over the edge, but it's not like perfect folding, just kind of laid over. I absolutely love that way. You can see the stars and the stripes both, and you're not seeing one or the other. So I just love how this little section turned out. It's just a right amount of adding that Americana decor. That's not overtaking the space, but it's a little bit of splash of color.
Right now I'm standing in the corner.
We're gonna go ahead and move over to our accent wall. This is actually a shoe storage from IKEA. I really think it looks super cute when you hang the garland on here. I did this actually, was it Christmas? I think it was Christmas decor. Now I'm forgetting, but anyway, I just thought it was super cute, and it's like perfect because it has the little knobs on there so the garland can hang right on it. The garland had kind of bunched up in the center, so I'm just going through and spreading it out a little bit. I think it looks super cute and just gives that great splash of color. I'm also, as you notice, using my decor that I already had. Like I said earlier, I love having neutral decor, so that way I can just add the splashes of color in with my current decor. I do go ahead and move a few things around. When you're doing this, make sure you're stepping back and then kind of looking at it, getting a full view every few steps that you take, because, you know, when you step back and look at it, then it kind of, you get a broader look, and some things may not look as good as they do up close as they do far away. So definitely step back a little bit and take a look and see what you like. Obviously, I did not like what I liked, and I did go ahead and change a few other things around.
And it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you.
So again, it's just that perfect little splash of color with the Americana decor. I absolutely love how this is turning out. It is very much looking like summer, but let's go ahead and move out to the kitchen. We're gonna go ahead and work with this towel bar. I'm not absolutely in love with the towel bar. I feel like it needs a little bit more, something more or different, but it'll work for this summer. I do think it is cute. I love having this towel bar here and being able to decorate for it. I just struggle a little bit on finding the pieces that I want or like for it. If you guys have any tips for me of where you guys find your towel bar decor, let your girl know. I have tried a bunch of different places: Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, and other than towels, I don't know. I loved how it looked for Valentine's Day. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. Maybe I need to find or pull out some wood in this area. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments.
Let me love you. I get so caught up in the middle.
All right, it's time for my favorite part. I absolutely love how this turned out with my vintage pieces. I did go ahead and do layering. I love the idea of layering your tablecloths. If you saw last week our outdoor decor, the layering of rugs, I just am also we do layer our rugs in the living room as well. I just love a layered look. It gives it depth. It breaks up some of the harsher colors, and you can use things to soften other things. I just love a layered look. So that's what I did. The doily type table runner there I had previously, and I just layered it with the Americana decor. I don't know, I think it helps really soften this look, especially since I'm using vintage pieces. It just kind of ties it all in together, the new and the olds. Adding in these dried floral pieces, I feel like just pulls the whole piece together. Again, just combining the old and the new, the bright in the dull or war pieces, I just feel like it works perfectly. And you know, lavender is typically purple, but it still works in this area. It's just kind of like a faded hue and just gives a little bit extra of that red, white, and blue, and I absolutely love it. I love how this turned out. It looks so cute, and it literally, it wasn't exactly what I had in my mind, but it works, and I love it. So what do you guys think? Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for coming along and watching this video with me. I hope I gave you guys some inspiration for your own homes, and just how to make things your own. Also how to use items that you wouldn't necessarily see as everyday decor. But anyway guys, I hope I was inspiring and gave you guys some good ideas, and I hope you guys have a happy, healthy, and safe summer. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.